Hello, I'm Tadashi Kubo, a co-founder and CEO of AC Biode from Japan and Luxembourg. We are developing the world's first standalone AC alternating current battery instead of DC direct current for mobility and energy storage. As you know, we need a better and safer batteries, but the past 30 years, the basic principle of lithium batteries remain the same, because it takes so much time and investment to develop new materials or new types other than lithium-ion batteries, because it is not easy to develop new ones. And we have serious safety concerns on getting fired of the batteries. And we were wondering why we don't have the option of AC battery instead of DC, because power transmission, distribution, and motors have both the option of AC and DC, but the only batteries don't. So we have developed a new type of batteries that using all the existing materials and existing battery production lines, but we switch the current from DC to AC. So as you can see, we have developed a Biode, which is a new word we created. Biode has is an electrode, which has both the characteristics of anode minus and a cathode plus. So the blue ones are Biodes, and together with a microcomputer switch, we create a square shape of AC current. And we have already developed several prototypes of AC batteries and electric circuits. So our competitive advantages are it is safer, because we split voltage from 4 to 2 volts, and we aim to integrate or minimize inverters and converters, and we estimate have a double life cycle. And as I mentioned, we use all the existing materials and battery production lines. So our development compared to the others is more affordable, and it's quicker to develop. And we can apply this idea not only to lithium-ion batteries, but also any types, including lead acid or solid-state batteries as well. And we can use all the existing infrastructure, so because we can have an output of AC or DC depending on requirements. So one of the examples, as you can see here, is that we split from 4 volts of electric potential to 2 volts. So the lower electric potential, it is safer. And as I mentioned, when the brushless DC motors use 3-phase AC, our electric circuit, the entire system, not only from batteries, but also inverters and converters, our system is more affordable, simpler, and compact. And this is our market plan. So within 1 year, by first quarter of 2021, we will do the pilot test, firstly with industrial drones. We have already received several LOIs, letter of intent, and we have already secured 400,000 euro from Energy of EIT, and also several investors in Japan and Europe. Our business model is that we have 2 patents. We provide our licensing to battery or battery parts manufacturers, and we will have a joint venture with manufacturers to manufacture batteries or our system by ourselves in the long term. So this is our traction we have. So we already have several prototypes, and we will do a pilot test with the drones. We already have received 5 LOIs, and we have won 13 awards on the startup pitch competitions in US, Europe, and in Asia, Japan, when we are supported by EIT, Energy within the body of European Union. So this is our team. We have 5 members. Myself, I used to work for renewable energy and the battery industry as an investor, and I met Dr. Tadashi, who is a co-founder and CTO. He used to work at a KRI with the big battery manufacturers, and also he is expert on electric circuits as well. Now we have 2 engineers, one in Cambridge in the UK and in Tokyo, and we have one advisor from EIT Energy who worked at Panasonic and Philips. So this is our request. We are looking for technical collaborators and pilot testing partners. And also we are still raising 200,000 euro for the rest. So I have several technical appendix to answer for your questions. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
So now it's time for question and answers. Richard, I let you lead.
Patrick, you have a question now.
I have two questions actually. I understand the volume is 30% smaller than the equivalent of the traditional lithium-ion battery. Is it 30% lighter too? First question. Second is cost. What about cost? Cost perspective compared to the equivalent lithium-ion battery. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for the question. So it's 30% more compact in terms of volume, but the weight is almost same as the current batteries. So the compact means that we skip the duplication of the cases, as you can see here. Because when you make AC current from the current batteries, you need to have multiple batteries and multiple switches. But we can create AC by a single switch. And the second point is the cost is more or less the same because we use all the existing materials on the production lines, but we need to add additional electrodes. So the initial cost could be a little bit higher, but our battery is safer so that we can improve production yield rates. So it's that compensate the initial cost. So it's more or less same.
Félicie Burel has a question for you from Plastic Omnium.
Yes, thank you. As you know, the automotive industry is it's a mass production industry, and with a lot of standardization and a lot of investment have been made in this field. Don't you think you will have some problem to push such a disruptive or new technology to OEMs that prefers to go to standard products?
Yes, thanks for the question. This is why to prevent, we can use the existing infrastructure by having output of DC so that the car side doesn't need to change the infrastructure. It is also possible.
Thierry Peugeot.
Yes, thank you for your presentation. Did you actually present your technique to car manufacturers, and what are their reactions?
Yes, we have pitched already several Japanese and Italian companies, and we got a feedback that has a potential mainly to use the recover electricity from a brake, and also because AC charge is faster than DC charge, except the supercharge, so it could be faster to charge and discharge as well because of its AC. And they evaluated the safetiness as well.
Patrick Collor from Faurecia.
So thank you for the presentation. I found it very interesting. It's an excellent idea. If you increase the safety, and I understand how, then you should also be able to increase the autonomy as you have less risks to achieve and the critical temperatures. Have you made an assessment on that?
Yeah, yes, we are testing right now. But at the same time, we are optimizing the biode and the electrode as well. So we are still testing right now.
Thank you.
Michael Fernandez de France AutoTech.
Yes, thank you for the presentation. Do you believe that this technology could become the industry standard? Or do you rather believe that it would be used for specific use cases? And if so, which ones?
I think a specific case could be drones and flying cars when cars will, when they fly because they need high voltage. And AC is suitable to have a high voltage because of a combination. And also to recover electricity from a brake is also another option to start with. Of course, we want to tackle the entire market, but I think it takes time to tackle to electric car industry.
Tadashi.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Hi,
I think I got it because I don't speak French, so I think
we're going to speak English. Don't worry. Your startup has invented a groundbreaking way to store power. because your storage is more compact. Does it mean that cars using your technology will have more space inside?
Depends, because if we compare with the current batteries, to create AC, yes, we are 30% more compact. We can also integrate or minimize inverters and converters. So not only batteries, but also entire system is going to be 30% more compact.
Do you have already car brands that are interested in your technology?
Yes, we have several LOIs.
I'm sorry, I didn't get the name of the brands.
We have several LOIs, letter of intent.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes,
thank
but
you.
I'm not allowed to disclose the name.
Okay, I understand. Yeah. Thanks a lot, and congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Et je vais appeler Louis Desange pour remettre la mention GPACF GreenTech 2020.
Le Grand Prix GreenTech est attendé à Biode.
Eh bien,
Tadashi, it's for you. It's your prize. You can open all your mix and applause. Tadashi, you can open your mix, the two members, and applause. Tadashi.
Bravo.
Tadashi, you won the GreenTech label.
I should have announced it to Tadashi in English, but I forget it. But do you hear me, Tadashi?
He's in bed.
Tadashi.
Sorry, yeah. Hello?
Yes, it's connected, I think.
Yeah, yes. Tadashi, you won the mention ACF GreenTech because of your impact on the environment.
Thank you.
Congratulations again, Tadashi. A few words.
Thanks a lot.
A few words. You won a prize in France. A trophy is waiting for you. You saw this wheel in wood waiting for you.
Yeah, I will be back. Yes.
So maybe we have to meet sometime.
Yes, definitely.
At the Autumn Club de France, of course.
Yes, I'm based in Luxembourg, so yeah, I can be back to Paris.
Okay.
After the pandemic.
Yeah, of course. We stay safe first.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Yes.
Et je vais peut-être en envoyer aussi un pour Tadashi qui n'a pas eu droit à son applause. Because you deserved it, Tadashi.